When we think of environmental catastrophes, we often picture oil spills or tornadoes, but history reveals some truly shocking events with surprisingly advanced technological implications. For example, the 1930s Dust Bowl was not just a natural disaster, it was a massive environmental crisis caused in part by early agricultural machines stripping soil layers away faster than nature could replenish them. This catastrophe displaced over 2.5 million people, forcing a wave of migrations and dramatic advancements in soil conservation technology, forever changing how we approach land use. Another lesser-known disaster is the 1952 Great Smog of London, where air pollution from coal-burning factories combined with fog to create a toxic blanket that disrupted city functioning and killed thousands. This horror highlighted the urgent need for air quality controls, leading to pioneering regulations and the development of emissions monitoring technology that's still evolving today. But here's the shocker. The Soviet Union's 1986 Chernobyl nuclear disaster also triggered novel environmental engineering challenges and innovations. Thousands of scientists worldwide collaborated to contain the radioactive catastrophe, advancing fields like remote robotics designed for hazardous environments. The contaminated landscape was quarantined by constructing the so-called sarcophagus, a monumental shelter, showcasing how technology stepped in to combat human error and nature's wrath. Going back in time reveals even surprising early examples of human-induced environmental collapse. The deforestation crisis that helped topple the ancient Easter Island civilization demonstrates how unchecked use of natural resources can devastate an ecosystem. More astonishing is that evidence suggests inhabitants cut down trees using stone tools to make wooden rollers for moving giant statues, accelerating their own habitat destruction. Technological progress isn't just science fiction, history shows it's deeply intertwined with our environmental triumphs and tragedies. Another notable disaster is the Aral Sea crisis, caused by Soviet irrigation technology diverting two feeder rivers, emptying a once gargantuan lake and damaging economies along its shores. This 20th-century engineering blunder is one of the greatest ecological catastrophes, inspiring a wave of sonar, satellite, and climatological research aimed at restoring diminished water bodies. Did you know historical artillery shells also caused environmental harm far beyond war zones? For instance, unexploded ordnance from World War I still contaminates European farmland, necessitating the development of highly precise detection technologies that continue to save lives. All these events underline an important lesson: human-driven technological advances have the power to cause, or prevent, environmental havoc on a massive scale. Whether it's the Dust Bowls, mechanized agriculture, or nuclear disaster containment robots, technology intersects with nature in unpredictable ways. By studying these catastrophes, we reveal humanity's capacity to innovate while gaining hard-earned respect for our fragile planet. Ultimately, the future hinges on this delicate balance, innovation tempered by responsibility, ensuring the environment isn't our last casualty.